it stopped raining. We waited a long time. Not much water in it.
She said it looks like Bob Ross painted that thing. I think we head back.
Whatever that plant is that sliced my leg. Something was sucking on my blood. We're gonna head over to Hidden Valley. I keep hearing noises. Okay, we're at the Hidden Valley Trail.
We have yet to see anything but frogs.
Can't get over, I can't do this.
Oh gosh. Here we are on the side of the road. Cops are behind us. Alright, tow truck's here. Yay.
This is a decent spot for some shelter.
We saw another family that was under a tree.
Is it going further away? No. Okay, it stopped raining. Even though I still have my hood on. Oh, where's that? This way before I walk over a edge. It's still thundering and lightning, but it doesn't seem like it's near us. I just wanted to make it over the dam because they said it was just around the corner. So that's what we're doing. Trying to be as safe as possible. We waited a long time.
Wish I had my hiking boots at this point too.
Yeah, from now on we wear hiking boots every time.
I'm taking a shortcut. I have waterproof shoes. I don't think I do.
You do? Turn left.
Whoa!
Oh, there it is. It's right here.
Whoa! It went.
Well, here's the dam right here. Yeah, there's not much water in it. It's supposed to have, this is usually filled up, but yeah, that's the dam. See it? Right there?
See the concrete wall?
Yeah. Why is there no water?
It's dry.
Because it's been very dry.
We just...
Guys, just because it rained for 30 minutes when we were here doesn't mean that it's been raining all summer.
Did it rain so
Be very careful.
Yeah, you can see over there where it is.
I saw that.
That's where it all is.
Dam right here.
It's over there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Daddy, look at that thing. That looks like Bob Ross painted that thing. What?
She said it looks like Bob Ross painted that thing. Guys, be careful on these. Look at that. That's interesting. I don't think this is the way we're supposed to go, bud. Look at what the arrow is pointing. The arrow's pointing that way. I think we head back.
Okay, we turned back. We had to go back to the car. We saw the dam. It wasn't that exciting anyway. There's our little area where we were hiding. Tiny frogs. Smart girl. I don't know where that plant is that sliced my leg. It was something like this.
Something like that?
So I did get a little battle wound. My leg had a little spot of blood, and I looked down and it was stinging, and something was sucking on my blood. Okay, we just left the Barker Dam trailhead. We're gonna head over to Hidden Valley, see how that looks. It's not completely clear up there at all, so we'll see what this is looking like once we get there. Keep hearing noises. Okay, we're at the Hidden Valley Trail. Presley's taking pictures. We don't have any more food. We ate all the food.
All right, third trail. It's funny because you can see all those beautiful blue skies behind us, but in front of us, not so much. We are on our third trail, last one for the day here in Joshua Tree. Just saw another sign that said Bighorn Sheep Zone. We have yet to see anything but frogs. So hopefully we'll get to see something else. It'd be cool to see some bighorn sheep, as long as we're not too close to them. I'd like to see a tarantula, personally. I think that'd be cool. Said there's supposed to be roadrunners. We did see a roadrunner at our campground when we first got there, but have not seen anything like that since we've been here. So hopefully we get to see something.
Look, there's steps. Who did that? Who did that? I like reading signs when I'm not trying to talk and video at the same time.
That whole area we just walked through was actually blasted out so that we could walk and be able to see this. Yeah.
We have a game called Jump the Puddles. Oh yeah.
I found a sign that you can read.
The Pinyon Pine. That's what this is.
Found mostly in the mountains of the
Mojave.
Mojave and Western Great Basin
Basin.
deserts.
What'd you find? Cave?
I'm gonna go.
No.
I'm not gonna go inside.
Something could be in there.
flying a drone. Teach their own. I love drones, but it's against the law to fly them in a national park, so I'm just not going to do it.
Kellen go? We lost Kellen. He's way up there. He's all the way up there. There he is. We go over where?
I didn't see this.
You still reading? You reading to yourself?
Oh man, I'm stuck on an island.
Conclusion. Hidden Valley has long been a magnet for many species of plants and animals, as well as humans. The residents of this miniature world have achieved a balance over time, but this balance is delicate and easily disturbed. Working together, we can find ways to assure the integrity of biotic communities everywhere. Integrity is wholeness, the wholeness of life and things, the divine beauty of the universe. Love that, not man apart from that. Robinson Jeffers. There's Frank. We can see Frank again.
I can see Frank from up here.
Yep.
Why do you have to show a receipt to get out?
transmission.
Oh, great.
I don't know what to do.
We need to get off the side of the road.
Up there it goes.
Oh my gosh.
We're smoking.
What?
Okay, everybody just need to get over. Yeah. Can we get over?
I can't get over. I
Oh
can't
my
move the
gosh.
truck.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Here we are on the side of the road. Good times. Not happy. Staring at this. This car is coming right at us. I don't like it.
What up with
7:46. How long have we been sitting here now?
The first outbound call happened at 6:20.
Oh yeah, it was right when the sun was going down, so I think it was supposed to set at 6:15. So yeah. Cops are behind us. See?
Daddy?
So that makes me feel better, but we're still waiting on the tow truck.
What's up, sweetheart?
And most of us have to go to the bathroom.
I don't know, sweetheart.
So anyway, Presley and I are gonna get to ride with the cop.
Me and Daddy are gonna get to ride with the tow person.
All right, tow truck's here.